So my dog Frank is a rescue dog, and before he lived with me, he lived in an abusive home. And because he was abused when he was younger, he actually shows a lot of signs of PTSD. And one of the signs of PTSD is what's called exaggerated startle response. And what that means is that when you hear a sound that's unexpected, you jump. And you can literally, jump into the air because you're so taken off guard. So what we do for Frank here when he's having a hard time with the storms is we go in the closet, and it seems to make him feel better. I also give him some trazodone, which is a medicine that human beings often take as well. It's an antidepressant, but I'm not a psychiatrist, so I don't prescribe medicine. But some people with PTSD do really benefit from medicine, just like Frank on days when he needs it.